Hi, this is Nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha, and today I'm going to give you a very interesting recipe of quinoa. I'm going to do a recipe which is sweet. For this recipe, you need a pan. In the pan, you need to put about a teaspoon of homemade ghee. Now, I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of boiled quinoa. So this quinoa has been soaked and boiled, and now I'm going to roast this in this ghee for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you get a nutty flavor, then you can add in a little milk, and then cook it for another 5 minutes at a slow gas. Once it comes to boil, add in some elaichi, that is cardamom powder, some nuts like chopped badam, and few raisins. Cook it again for 2 to 3 minutes. So here is the quinoa kheer, which is ready. So after pouring this into the bowl, you can add in a teaspoon of honey, jaggery or sugar for sweetness if you want to, or you can skip it because there's already raisins in it. You can top it more with some almonds and raisins. And here is this yummy quinoa kheer ready. You can have it hot, or you can put it in the refrigerator and have it after a couple of hours.